Good morning. So I've been planting. I got a bunch of peppers planted this morning, but I'm going to show you how to plant my eggplant. And I'm planting Rosalina eggplant. It's a really pretty eggplant. It's like a lavender to rose color. It really has a pretty color to it. So I have this little container. My friend saved me. No, actually, no, I saved this one. It had guacamole in. I love little containers that have the top so it keeps the moisture in. So I have soaked my eggplant overnight. That helps germination. Here are the eggplant seeds. They're wet because I did soak them overnight. So you're going to want to start your eggplants about 8 weeks before you're ready to put them outside. They love it warm. So you're going to want to put them on a heat mat because they like 75 to like 90 degrees in order to germinate. And they take about 6 to 14 days, even with them good optimal temperatures. If it's lower than that, it's going to take a lot longer than that. And you're going to want to put them about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little less in the soil. So we're going to go ahead and sprinkle the eggplants into this little bowl, and then we'll be able to pop the top on it. Now, eggplants, once they germinate, they like kind of drier soil. They do not like wet feet at all. So I'll put the lid on this until they sprout, but then that lid will come off and they will not receive much water as everything else. Remember, eggplants like dry soil. I will put the lid on this and keep this moist until they sprout on that heat mat, but then the lid will come off and they'll be drier. They won't get watered as often as everything else. So just